You're probably here because you found a piece of furniture and you're wondering, well, I wonder if this thing is salvageable. The answer is probably yes. Right now, the chair is in really good shape. Yeah, it's got some chip and paint, which we're going to address. It's got some rust, as you can see. This is a great time to catch this. This is almost like as far as you ever want something to go that you can still salvage it. So first step is I'm going to give it a light sand. I'm a big fan of the sanding sponge. I like the way that it bends in my hand, especially since these are round and this thing is round. So I give it a nice sand. I'm able to get like the dirt, some of the old chipping paint off, and it just gives me a better surface for when I prime. It gives the primer something to adhere to. All right, so now it is time to fill these rusted holes, and we're going to use a filler for that. Filler comes separate than the hardener, and you're going to use about 2% of hardener to the amount of filler. A very little bit of this and a lot of filler. Once it's mixed, your time is of the essence. You have 2 to 3 minutes in which to work with this. The way you apply is you just keep kind of filling that hole with the filler until you have yourself a nice, rounded, even finish. The filler is all in there, it's hardened. Now I'm going to use my multi-master. I got an 80 grit sandpaper on here, and I'm just gonna sand this down, make it nice and smooth. It should feel nice and smooth. It has been structurally restored, it just needs to be painted. All right, there's 3 steps: prep, prime, paint. We're at the priming stage. It is important to prime. Don't skip priming. It helps your paint adhere to whatever surface you're painting. It seals and protects. All right, the time has come to finish our chair. That is the finishing coat. I did the hand test. No paint, all right? So it's not even tacky. We're good to go. The primer is dry. Now, I'm also going with the Krylon. It does say paint plus primer. I just still like to have a primer coat first. You want to pick your sheen. There's flat white, there's semi-gloss, there's high gloss.